Hello friends, today we will see the working of surface condenser. First of all, we will see what is condenser. Condenser is a device which converts exhaust steam from the turbine into the water so as to supply it to the boiler. Now, when we have to convert steam into water, we need a cooling water. So, in the condenser, where steam and cooling water is mixed together, it is called as a jet condenser. And in condenser, in which steam and cooling water do not mix directly, but they only exchange their heat. That condenser is called as surface condenser. So, it is one of the type of surface condenser, and which is shell and tube condenser. Now we will see what is shell and tube condenser. So it consists of a shell, okay, and inside that shell there are number of tubes. Okay, so exhaust steam from the turbine is entered at the top of the shell. It moves in the shell and finally it exits at the bottom of the shell as a water. Now the cooling water entered at the bottom of the shell and now it enters inside the tubes. Now this is very important. Tube, so cooling water flows inside the tubes and steam flows over the tubes. So there is no direct mixing. So it is a surface condenser. Now what will happen? See, when cooling waters enter inside the tubes, the steam flows over the tubes, transfer its heat to the cooling water. So slowly the temperature of the steam get decreases and finally it converted into the water and collected at the bottom. Similarly, the temperature of the cooling water becomes increases as it receives the heat from steam and finally hot water exited at the top of the shell. Okay, there are baffles are provided so as to increase the heat transfer rate of the steam and to increase the efficiency of the condenser. Okay, so this is the working of surface condenser. Thank